Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch, brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now, today is Wednesday, the 5th of September. So we were able to see the volatility sort of enter the markets yesterday, and we've been able to see a lot of turbulent price action really yesterday as far as yesterday's price action is concerned. So just before we go into today's Daily Trade Watch, please do, of course, familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these financial markets and take note of the risk warning currently up on screen. Okay, so let's get straight in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we can look at for the day ahead. So trade selection is a very, very important part of trading these financial markets. And a couple of high probability trading opportunities is to look at the gold market. So we're actually on this market on a daily time frame as well. We've been in this market for a couple of days, and we've really had the extension to the downside as of yesterday. So we've experienced a strong pullback off the 1160 level back up to the 1214. We ran into a level of resistance, and now we're getting that extension to the downside. So this market, if it moves below yesterday's daily low of 1189.64, then that could give us a really good opportunity to sell the gold market. The only other market really that we're looking at, and we're looking very closely at the other commodity markets, is the potential for the oil market to sell off. Now we've got a slightly different setup. This is the US oil, so this is WTI crude oil. But what we're going to look at actually is the UK oil. So this is the Brent oil chart. So they're very correlated, but what we're seeing here is a slightly better setup. There is a really strong triple top really with a couple of lower lows. So all we're simply looking at this market, and if I zoom in a little bit for you, we're kind of unwinding a really long sort of bullish price action. But we failed to break above the 79.91 here, and we've got a really strong rejection candlestick at these highs. So what we're suggesting as far as a high probability trading opportunity is a break below yesterday's low of 77.15 could give you a high probability opportunity to capitalize on a pullback trade, maybe at least down to the $75 level, somewhere down around these levels down here. So it has the potential to give us a really nice strong move. So really we're going to focus tomorrow, in today's trading session, we're going to really focus on a couple of the commodity pairs, the gold market, the crude oil, for some high probability trading opportunities, as we're looking across many markets on the foreign exchange side, and we are seeing a lot of indecision, a lot of pullbacks. So we just want some high probability trading opportunities to reveal themselves once more, which I'm sure they will very, very shortly. So it's a case of looking at some of the commodities in today's trading. Okay, so that just about concludes today's Daily Trade Watch. So thank you as always for joining us. Do feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel. You just search for the Live Trade Room, and we are live every day at 8 a.m. in the morning through our YouTube channel, and also 1 p.m. For the US Open. So you can get a really good live trade room when you can join us and see how we effectively make consistent returns when we trade. And also you can connect with us through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All details are up on screen. So thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you all next time. For everyone here, bye for now.